Hello, I'm the narrator. And before this episode starts, George is going to be talking about this beautiful plant called the Chinese lantern, but is also known as the winter cherry. The reason it's called the winter cherry is because in the winter it will take full sunlight and it could actually last the entire winter as long as there is no frost to kill it. But in summer it will need little sun to shade. But do not be deceived by this beautiful plant and how easy it is to take care of. Before it is quite poisonous, the leaves and the unripe berries. So you have been warned. On with the show. Good morning, everybody. My name is George. And today we're going to be talking about the Chinese lantern. Not that one, of course, but this one. This plant. This beautiful. This plant grows in dry soil. And the reason it gets its name is it's the Chinese lantern. It's because of the shape. How it is wide top and then it kind of comes together. Narrow. But it isn't always a shape that could be given a name. What about the color? The reddish orange color, or maybe that paper texture that both of them have. Since this beautiful little plant grows something. What was it? I can't remember. Berries. It grows berries. Yes, the berries. They grow berries, and like many fruits, the seeds are inside. So whenever this little berry drops from the little plant, it will plant itself and start to sprout another little bush, which could make it even harder to contain this deadly plant. This plant has another name that goes with it. It starts with a W. It's winter. No, yes, the winter cherry. It is quite easy to take care of, more or less. It can live through summer and winter. And it needs sun according to the temperature. But there's a weird thing. If you want to, perchance, fertilize this plant, you can either put it in mulch or a little bit of compost. Now, if you want to harvest this plant, that's a different story. See, whenever the little pods or lanterns start to become that reddish orange color, that very famous beautiful color, and that's whenever you cut off the stem from the very bottom and you hang it upside down in a dark and cold place, preferably your garage. After a few weeks you can harvest it. But like the beauty of these plants, sometimes there's a bit of a problem, and that is it can't handle many pesticides. So you'll need to do one of two things in order to help it survive the pests. Is the incense soap spray or neem oil. So unfortunately this is the end of the episode. If you are fascinated by the Chinese lantern plant, There are links in the description that go more into detail about where I found this information. And if you please like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Good night.
This is the end of the video, end of the video, end of the video. Pew pew. End of the video, end of the video. This is the end of the video. Pew pew. Pew pew. Pew pew. End of the video, end of the video, end of the video. Oh oh.